Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. We're still in the lovely Portugal, Albufeira area, and we're taking a walk to a beach we've never been to, so we thought we'd take you guys along. I'm not going to pronounce it because I'm really bad in pronunciation, but the title will hopefully be above me here, or we'll put it in the title of the video. Anyway, let's see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. Hope everyone's doing well. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and tell all your friends and family, all of that good stuff. So yeah, this is a new little area for us, so we thought we'd take you guys along. Some really big villas along this side. So yeah, when you do find out the location, do comment below if you have stayed in this area. There we go, I'm pointing to a sign. That is where we are, people. I don't know. No, not today. Olhos de Água? Possibly. Yeah, it's another little area. It's got like shops and it's got like restaurants and bars and stuff. Very small, but it's like another little area. But I can see more families staying here. Very quiet, but you're still near to, like if you wanted to go to Old Town, you can still do it. I need to get some sunglasses. I left mine stupidly in the hotel, but I'll see if I can survive. It's in and out of sun at the moment with the clouds. Little massage, hair salon, nails. See, I'm getting more of like a residential vibe this side. There is hotels as well. Yeah, very relaxed start to the day again. It's been sort of cloudier in the mornings. We just chilled at home. I say at home at the apartment, and then come out this afternoon to get some sunshine, check out this new beach, and then later we'll probably go to Old Town and do some night footage there. So look out for that. Some big apartments there. Little restaurant. What's that? 5F? F5? 5 Fratelli. Fratelli, I'm guessing it's Italian. Could be wrong. Yeah, I've been really enjoying it so far. Really caught up on our sleep. Feel rejuvenised. Ready to tackle life after holiday. Sometimes you need a holiday after your holiday. Have a little restaurant there. On our way here, we did see another restaurant. We didn't actually film it, but it was absolutely rammed. It was more like a sort of cafe vibe. And they had 4 deals, didn't they, or 3 deals? So it was $12.50 for like a 3-course and a drink. And then there was like a more expensive one. I say more expensive, 16 sort of €50. And I think that one was like 4 courses maybe, and an extra drink with a dessert. Oh, okay, it's a better quality, like main or better options. Yeah, but really good. So, yeah, it was very cheap. Nice one here. There you go. Got your sardines. So we're trying to head towards the beach. Got some more little shops and stuff over there as well. Going on an adventure. So yeah, we've never been down here, so it's quite exciting when you come somewhere and you've been here before and you find somewhere new. So I'm really hoping this is a nice little new addition on our Albufeira trips. Right, which way am I going? I did not want to come down here. So this way? Right, so we're getting close. Just found this little area. There's like little bars and restaurants. And we just had like a drink, which was really good. I had a coffee and a brandy, and you had a mixer and a spirit. And it came to... Yeah, six quid. There we go.
same restaurant.
as the one we found in Newtown. So if you check out our best prices for the strip, Newtown, you'll see it's very similar to the one we've got there. I think it's the same company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The same company. So walking down towards the hotel.
Yeah, again, it's a downward descent, so bear that in mind.
Yes.
Cork shop over there. Lovely.
It's a downward descent.
Downward descent.
That's really cool. Some of the English that's really says, come on, keep it. That's funny. So
There's
yeah.
that one, coffee shop, snack bar, brunch. A little bit healthier. Yeah, don't forget to comment if you have stayed in this area. Again, we will not pronounce it, but the name will be in the title. So let us know. Lots of big hotel complexes though. That one looks massive up there. Oh, Stairs of Doom. Looks like school's just broken out or something. Lots of families. So all in all, this walk's taken us, we obviously stopped as well, about half hour from where we're sort of staying. So if you're walking from the new town, it would be, yeah, like just over an hour.
I think it was 18 minutes from where we're staying to where this was.
Yeah.
So it's 20 minutes roughly.
No, you can scrape into the wall.
Right, well, I feel like we're getting close. That's like the same restaurant as well, the Indian takeaway.
Yeah, same as what one?
The one that's in Newtown.
Oh.
Nice little restaurant here with the little cute tables. It's nice.
Indian place. Yeah, I'm gonna go for an Indian for dinner tonight. I do have my favourite. I'm probably gonna go for my favourite.
Yeah, go to Old Town tonight.
Old Town.
Old Town.
But I don't know if you've been to this one before. I think I could stay open. Got some set menu there.
Have a little shop.
As well. Isn't it? Yeah, what's that one?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of fruit and veg. Got another restaurant there as well. That's the same name as the area. There we go. The official restaurant of the area. Again, will not pronounce. Nice roof terrace up there. Yeah, really quiet.
Nothing's looking amazing. You're right.
Steakhouse.
We're just going to read everything out.
Just in case, look, I might not be able to pronounce it, but can I read it? There's the game.
Sit back and enjoy.
Exactly. Rest those eyes. I've got you. Hey, we made it to the beach. Right, see if it was worth the effort and the walk. Yeah, the walk.
Was it worth that walk?
Was it worth it?
Think about it.
Yeah, so you've got
150 a beer there as well.
150 is really good. By the Sea brunch cocktails and bar, just in case anyone couldn't see. And then again, we got the name with the love heart, so we'll try and get that in. That'll probably be the front thumbnail, and then we don't have to pronounce it. There you go, perfect. That looks nice. Nice little sculpture there. Nice golden sand. Oh yeah, a little restaurant up there. Yeah, really nice. Probably, yeah.
For no reason. Sabrina wasn't being navigator.
Oh, there we go.
Lady and man holding her.
The baby, and then you got the lady with her bits out. She is not dressed. Not dressed. Okay, there's some stairs going up there. I don't know. It's probably going to be a very pretty viewpoint. But I don't think it's for us today, guys. Ah, it's like you can rent those out like in the UK. It's quite cute. Just behind. Guessing a lot of the shops have them. Oh, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. We found a little area. If you guys enjoyed this and you made it to the end, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next one. See you later.